unboxing a Scruffle, loves, and yeah. So I just got back from my first day of grade, so it was great and fun. And my mom and dad fetched me, and after that we went to the mall and we bought a little pet with us. See? So there's actually a hole you can peek. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. So now it's time to unbox our furry friend. So let's go. So we can rather have a llama, a dog, or a cat. Which one are you hoping for? Okay. Hey guys, we're back and we poured the lukewarm water in, so she's turning out better than the cold water. Okay, look. Yippee! Hello. We're back. So I just rinsed my cute little Scruffle off. So this is her beautiful name tag. Guess what I named her? I named her Cotton Candy because she looks like a cotton candy. What color is? So this is my certificate adoption. This is to certify that Lyanna has officially adopted cotton candy. By signing this, I promise to give my Scruffle a lifetime of love, care, and fun. I promise to be best friends forever. / BFF. So I'm gonna dry her now because I just rinsed her with warm water, a big warm water. Dry.
Eternity later.
Hands are very important to say paws. She's a Kit Kat. And she's beautiful, just messy hair. That's all. So I'll see you when she's all dry. So see you. So this is now my adopted cat, Cotton Candy. And she looks like this because I haven't bathed her in 2 weeks. So thanks for watching. Bye!